In this video, we're going to review the 3 most common 4x6 name badges that you can use at your event. Let's look at, from the left, we've got the 4x6 SQB. The SQ here stands for square edges on the corners, whereas if you look in the middle here, we've got RS, and that's going to be rounded for the R, so that means we've got rounded corners right here. And then you've got a single side, or the D here is a double side, so the 2 on the right are going to be double-sided. So this one over here, you can see again 4x6, 4 on the width, 6 on the length here, and we've got a very thick perforation where you can tear the badge away from the printer. In the middle here, we do have the 4x6 DRSB. Now you can see we've got 2 perforations here at the top so that your lanyard clips can get inserted in here. In this case, that would be a double-bulldog lanyard clip. Again, this is going to be double-sided, so we're going to be able to fold it over right here and print on one side, print on the other. And then we've got a very thick perforation right down here to tear it away from the printer. On the right-hand side, we've got the 4x6 DSQB. So that is going to have square edges. Again, that's going to be double-sided, so you do see, probably hard to see in this video, but there is a very kind of light perforation to fold it. So again, you can print on both sides of that badge. And that is, again, the 4x6 DSQB. So that completes the review of the 3 most common 4x6 name badges. Thank you.